I don't know if Tesla was able to deliver a few Tesla Semis to PepsiCo by the end of 2021, but it appears that the electric vehicle maker is busy with its all-electric Class 8 truck nonetheless. In a recent sighting, 2 units of the Tesla Semi were spotted together near Gigafactory Nevada, and one of them even had its frunk open. Simon Alvarez has some details from Teslarati, and Sawyer Merritt reports the images. The images were reportedly taken at the Tesla Semi facility near the Giga Nevada complex. The facility, which is not large relative to Tesla's typical vehicle factory standards, is reportedly capable of building the Class 8 Tesla semi-electric truck in limited numbers. Speculations suggest that mass production of the Tesla Semi would likely be done in a more robust site such as Gigafactory Texas. In fact, the latest we heard about Gigafactory Texas Cybertruck production, that some people don't expect the Cybertruck to be delivered this year, but it looks like Tesla Semi and the Tesla Model Y and Model 3 will be given priority at Gigafactory Texas. I don't know, we'll see, but I've read a couple of interesting Gigafactory Texas reports this morning. Please check them out, related to 4680 battery production details. Now, Sawyer Merritt tweeted saying, breaking, 2 brand new Tesla Semis spotted at Giga Nevada Semi factory. You can see the frunk is open on one of them. So if this pair of Tesla Semi trucks sighted near Giga Nevada were newly built units, it would suggest that limited production of the all-electric vehicle is finally underway, thinks Simon Alvarez from Teslarati, and says, or at least entering its initial stages. So if this is all true, we can say that Tesla has at least entered the initial stage of Tesla Semi production. This would be very encouraging for the Tesla supporters, seeing as the Semi has already been delivered several times. The vehicle, after all, was initially unveiled 4 years ago in 2017 with an estimated 2019 delivery date, but customers' deliveries have been perennially pushed back since. While the Tesla Semi is now several years late, Tesla has been pretty open about why the vehicle has been pushed back. Tesla noted last year that battery cell constraints are largely responsible for the Tesla Semi delays. Together with the ongoing supply chain challenges, the limited supply of batteries meant that Tesla had to prioritize its mass market electric cars like the Model 3 and the Model Y instead of the projects like the Semi, which requires several vehicles worth of batteries per unit. This is why, honestly, I don't understand why Tesla is giving priority to Tesla Semi versus the Cybertruck. So, have you guys heard anything from the latest on the Cybertruck? If yes, please let me know in the comment section below. And what do you think? Do you think Tesla is starting the Semi production or has entered the initial stages of Tesla Semi production? This did not mean that Tesla Semi development was stagnant last year, however. On the contrary, 2021 proved very eventful for the Tesla Semi program. Early in the year, redesigned prototypes of the Class 8 all-electric long hauler were spotted in several locations across the United States. Tesla also built what appears to be the Tesla Semi first mega chargers in the Gigafactory Nevada complex, which is important sign that Tesla is entering the Tesla Semi production initial stages. Reports emerged suggesting mega chargers for the Tesla Semi were being installed for clients such as PepsiCo as well. This is why I said I don't know if Tesla was able to deliver them to PepsiCo. If yes, we would probably have seen them on the roads. If you guys live in that area, have you seen anything like that? Let me know, please, in the comment section below. So, with the Tesla seemingly poised to start Model Y production at Giga Texas very soon, and as I reported with the 4680 battery cell ramp seemingly hitting its momentum, 2022 might be a year of more milestones for the Semi. Granted, the vehicle's mass production may indeed happen in 2023, but Tesla may start from this year, but it would not be surprising if more and more units of the all-electric Class 8 truck from Tesla end up being spotted on public roads this year. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Have a wonderful day. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you, and I'll see you soon in our next report. We are expecting a huge announcement about Tesla Gigafactory Texas by the end of this week, but it also can be related about to the 4680 Tesla's modular battery. So Joe Techmeyer, who regularly provides Tesla Giga Texas information and drone flights, has tweeted today 2 images that you're seeing on your screen saying follow up on 4680 modular production equipment being delivered to Giga Texas today, January 3, 2021. And he says, I think you can see this item in photo 1 being lifted by crane and being similar to the installed equipment in photo 2 on the 3rd floor. So we are expecting some serious developments about Tesla 4680 battery production. Joe also says that today on January 3, 2022, Giga Texas in these images begins with records broken. He says many battery cell 4680 production deliveries today, which I just talked about. He says on west entrance work, concrete loading areas, pours, casting, roof materials installation, and more. And he also has a video talking about all of this. So but the good news is that there is a recent tweet by actually it's by Sawyer Merritt also says that start of production probably today, and also Willsman, tweet by Willsman, who says that a huge announcement is expected from Elon Musk about Giga Texas. What is this announcement? We have few theories of what it could be, and we'll discuss here, says Jeremy Johnson from TorqueNews.com. He says, whenever someone tweets that Elon Musk is going to say something important, you have to be a little skeptical at first. However, in this case, I believe there is reason for there to be an announcement from Elon Musk about Giga Texas. The Twitter user Will.I.Man has said that Elon Musk is going to give us a huge announcement about Giga Texas by the end of the week. One might wonder what that is, so there is a few theories to tide you over while we wait for an announcement from Elon Musk. What will Elon Musk say? One thing that he can say, the production is going to start. The second thing he can say, it's about 4680 battery cells. He says, Jeremy says, I think as part of the announcement that Giga Texas is starting production will be Elon Musk stating that the 4680 battery cells are ready for production vehicles and that Giga Texas will begin producing the Model Y with 4680 batteries. This is huge news. And the third theory can be the Model 2 or new compact car, and another factory announced. I think Elon once said that it will not be called Model 2, but will be called another model. But I may talk about this in the coming days more detailed, maybe tomorrow, guys. But this is the exciting news that 4680 batteries, which is very, very important for Tesla, for Giga Berlin, for Giga Texas, are being installed at Giga Texas factory in Austin, and we may hear the production start with Model Y with 4680 batteries the next week, if the announcement comes this week, or maybe Elon Musk will announce a date for this. So what are your theories? Let me know in the comment section below, friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please give us thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for daily news, and share this in social media. I would greatly appreciate it. God bless you. Peace be with all of you and your families. Let's move on to our next Tesla story.